was the eve of our good Queen's Diamond Jubilee, and the year Her Majesty's government came to the very brink of disaster. She... I'm getting ahead of myself. My name is Dr. David Q. Dawson, most recently of the Queen's 66th Regiment. I had just arrived in London after lengthy service in Afghanistan and was anxious to find a quiet place, preferably dry, where I could rest and find a bit of peace. Little did I know that my life was about to change forever. Oh my. Are you all right, my dear? Oh, come now, come. Here, dry your eyes. Ah, yes. Oh, that's better. Now, tell me, what's troubling you, my dear?
I'm lost. I'm trying to find Basil of Baker Street.
Oh, let me see here. Famous detective solves baffling disappearance. Where are your mother and father?
That's why I must find Basil.
Oh, no, there. No. No, I don't know any Basil. But I do remember where Baker Street is. Oh, come with me. We'll find this Basil chap together.